Welcome to InfoVic. I am your friend Vikash. Time to feed your knowledge. Now, today we are going to see about facts about Amazon forest. Do you know Amazon forest is 20% of oxygen needed by the earth, and it is located in South America and covers 9 countries, and it's bigger than India. Now we are going to see about some animals found in the Amazon rainforest, such as jaguar, leaf fish, Parramatta turtle, piranhas, and many more. Do you know the Amazon River is home to many gemstones? If you keep your hand inside, you get gemstones, minerals, and many more. And the river Amazon stretches all over South America and 7,100 kilometers long. Deeper planets know bridges in the river Amazon in Amazon rainforest because there is no very strong soil there, and scientists have discovered a river which is beneath the Amazon River, which makes without sense building a bridge. Thank you for watching our video. I hope this video is good. For more videos, comment below and share, subscribe and like. Stay tuned with our channel InfoVic. Thank you.